Hey AI enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the heart of a story that's shaking the tech world, TikTok's algorithm and its potential future under new ownership. Buckle up, because this one's a wild ride. Former Treasury Secretary Steve Mnuchin is leading a group aiming to acquire TikTok. But there's a catch: they plan to rebuild TikTok's algorithm entirely, right here in the US. Why? Well, it all boils down to national security concerns and China's strict export laws. Remember the uproar in Congress about TikTok's data privacy and potential influence from the Chinese government? That's the core issue here. Mnuchin believes rebuilding the algorithm is the only way to address these concerns and get the deal approved. Now, recreating TikTok's algorithm isn't a walk in the park. It's a complex beast, powered by advanced AI that personalizes content for each user. Mnuchin knows he needs a partner with serious AI muscle to pull this off. So, who are the potential players? Oracle is a top contender. They already have a foot in the door with TikTok, storing US user data as part of Project Texas. Plus, their CEO Larry Ellison has close ties to the Trump administration, which could smooth the political path. Another strong candidate is Microsoft, a major player in the AI space with its investment in OpenAI. They even tried to buy TikTok back in 2020. Imagine the possibilities if they combined their AI expertise with TikTok's massive user base. And there's a wild card in the mix: former Activision Blizzard CEO Bobby Kotick, who's reportedly interested in joining the bid. His experience in the gaming industry could bring a fresh perspective to the table. But wait, there's more. Getting approval from both the US and Chinese governments is another hurdle. The US Senate needs to vote on the bill, and China has expressed strong opposition to a forced sale of TikTok. It's a political tightrope walk. Now, let's talk about the impact. TikTok has over 170 million users in the US alone. Rebuilding the algorithm could change the entire user experience. Will it be as good as the original? Will it be better? We'll have to wait and see. This whole saga raises bigger questions about the future of social media. Should governments have the power to force the sale or ban of apps based on national security concerns? What does this mean for freedom of expression online? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. One thing's for sure: the fate of TikTok's algorithm will have ripple effects across the tech and social media landscape. We'll be keeping a close eye on this story as it unfolds. Stay tuned for updates.